Hi, this is my review of a fridge freezer. It's LEC brand. It's white, 3.5 feet tall. In the top half, you've got your freezer. You get a few little things in here. You've just got the one shelf here, and the bottom. The bottom half here, you've got the fridge. You've got several shelves here. And your vegetable drawer. There isn't actually a working light in this one, but generally there is a light back here that would be working. You've got good numbers on the dial for your temperature. In the door you've got a bit for your condiments and your milk and obviously your wine. The seals are really good. Very good make of fridge freezer. Thank you for watching.